Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing this super easy smoky half cut crease. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so first we're going to start by priming off our eyelids, and to prime today I'm going to be using my Instant Age Rewind Concealer. And I'm just going to be applying that all over my eyelids. And then I just blend that out with my finger. I just feel like it's easier to blend it out with my finger than just using like a brush or a sponge. It's just super easy and convenient for me. And to begin, I'm going to be using my Amrezy palette today, and I'm going to be going in with the shade OG, which is this shade right here to start off. And I'm going to be taking that just on a fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to be going in directly into my crease. To apply my transition shade, I always feel like it's easier to go in circular motions, just because I feel like it gets it all into the crease where it needs to be. And I always keep my eye open too, because it lets me see where exactly my crease is. And I don't know, I just feel like that's not as pigmented as I want it to be, so I'm just going to be going in with that same color again. I don't want this to be too dark, but this just seems too light for me, so I'm just going to keep on adding it. And now I'm going to be going in with this 1988 shade right here, which is just a darker brown shade. And I'm going to be taking that onto a smaller blending brush, and then just adding that right under my crease. Okay, and now to cut my crease, I'm going to be using my Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Concealer, and I'm just going to be taking that onto this small flat brush. And for the lid, I'm going to be going with my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to be going in with this first shade right here, which is the shade Tempera. I'm just going to be going on in with the flat brush and just applying that everywhere where I applied the concealer to cut the crease. And now just to make the look a little more smoky, I'm going to be going in back with that 1988 shade on that same brush that we used originally and adding that to the outer corners. And for lashes, I'm going to be using these lashes right here. They are from my Instagram page. It's called Rosy lashes. These are in the style Night Out. They look like this. I've already used them a couple times, but they're really good. I'll link their name down below. Okay, so now that my lashes are on, I'm going to be going with my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer to prime my face. Like always, I'm going to be going with my Superstay foundation. I am in the shade 128. And I'm just going to be blending that out with my Beauty Blender. Is it just me, or like whenever you're doing your makeup, like your nose wants to show out and start running like crazy, and you're like, really, bitch? Like, out of all the times you want to choose that? And for concealer today, I'm going to be going with my Makeup Revolution concealer. I'm in the shade C 3.5. I just apply that to my T-zone. I'm running out. So yeah, like it is way cheaper than the Tarte Shape Tape, but it has way less. But I mean, $7 compared to $27. And now to set my concealer, I'm going to be going with my Morphe translucent powder. And I'm just going to be taking that onto my beauty blender and applying that everywhere where I apply the concealer. And I'm just going to let that sit for a couple minutes. Okay, and after that's been sitting for a couple minutes, I'm just going to take my Morphe E48 brush and just dust off all that excess powder that's left on my face. Rather than dust off, I like to just press it into my skin. And now with that same beauty blender and that same setting powder, I'm just going to be setting the rest of my face. I remember when I used to set my face with a brush, like with the powder in the brush, like I would get so oily throughout the day and stuff. And now that I like use the beauty blender to like press the powder into my face, I notice that I go longer without getting oily throughout the day. To set my face, I'm going to be using my Smashbox Photo Finish Setting Spray. And now to contour, I'm gonna be going in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer, and I'm just going to be putting that everywhere where I contour. And to blend that out, I'm gonna be going with my Morphe M439 brush and just blending that all out. Contour my nose, I'm still going to be going with my Morphe 8H Contour and Highlight Palette, and I'm going to be going in with the shade right here, which is the shade Donut. And I'm going to be going in with my Morphe E62 brush. The reason I don't cream contour my nose is because I'm barely like learning how to cream contour. It's like regularly, and like I feel like contouring your nose is already hard enough, so I'm not there yet. Now to buff that out, I'm going to be using my Morphe M173 brush, and I'm just going to be going with circular motions to buff that out so it won't be as harsh. And then I do bake around my nose, so I'm just going to be going with that same Morphe powder and baking around the nose. Now to set the cream contour, I'm going to be going with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer on my Morphe M527 brush. And now for my under eye, I'm going to be going with that same Amrezy palette with the shade 1988. And with a Morphe M431 brush, I'm just going to be grabbing that shade and going into my under eye. And for blush, I'm going to be going with my Sephora N29 blush. I've been loving this blush lately. It's like a perfect shade for summer. Like, it's just, I love it. And I'm going to be going in with my Morphe M405. Just applying that to my cheeks. going with my Morphe ABH Contour and Highlight Palette. I'm going to be going in with the shades Beam and Venus, which are these shades right here on my Morphe M501 brush. And I'm just going to be applying that to the apples of my cheeks. Not the apples of my cheek, to the top of my cheeks. And then to the top of my nose. And I also go in a little bit just to the top of my forehead and to the top of my lip. And with those same shades, I'm going to be grabbing like a flat brush like this. And I'm just going to go going into my inner corner with those. And I almost forgot, but I am going to be putting some eyeliner onto my waterline. This is the NYC eyeliner in the shade Black. And I'm just going to be going into my waterline. And then also the top of my waterline. Okay, and now for lips, I'm going to be going with my NYX Natural Lip Liner. And then I'm going to be going in with my ColourPop Ultra Botted Lipstick in the shade Starling. This has been like my go-to lipstick lately. I just feel like it's like a really pretty nude shade that like you can wear with any eye look, any makeup look. It's gonna look good. And to top that off, I'm gonna be going with my Morphe Froze lip gloss. And now for setting spray, I'm gonna be going with my Smashbox Photo Finish setting spray again, just like this. Alright guys, that is it for this look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.